The LinkBuds Clip has tap control, much like our other earbuds, but let me show you exactly where they are and how to get it right. Now, first up, you need to make sure you download the Sony Sound Connect app. This is your one-stop shop for setting up your new clips and activating the features you want. It's a convenient way to see what's going on while you get used to changing your settings using the actual tap functions. Okay, so let me pause here to make sure you hear me saying tap, not touch. That's because tap is all that's required to control your buds once they're on. So don't be discouraged if getting the timing and pressure needed takes you a few tries. This will get a lot easier with just a little practice. Now, if you take a moment to look at the clips I'm wearing, you'll notice that I can touch the back half of the bud here and they will activate the assigned function. The front half of the bud does not have that feature. Okay, now on to what the taps can do right out of the box. So if you're listening to music, 2 taps on the left clip will toggle you through the listening modes. There's standard, which is great for most listening situations, music and movies. Double tap, and you'll move to voice boost, which is great for noisy areas and listening to podcasts, lectures, and audiobooks. And the last one is sound leakage reduction, which limits the amount of sound coming out of your buds that others can hear.
Sound leakage reduction.
This is perfect in quiet situations like elevators, libraries, or anywhere you don't want to disturb others. Want to know what mode you're in? Just check the app. Now, the right earbud will control music. 2 taps allows play or pause. 3 taps will move to the next track. Oh, and 3 taps to the left will start the music service of your choice. Right now, there's Spotify Tap, Amazon Music Play Now, and so many more. To use this feature, you'll need to choose your service in the Sony Sound Connect app. You can also control your volume while listening to music. Now, this one takes a little practice, but it's awesome once you get the hang of it. You'll need to tap the clip 4 times, and then on the 5th, the volume will change. Here's what it looks like, and you need to tap it at least 5 or 6 times in a row to raise or lower the volume. Again, practice makes perfect. The left clip lowers the volume, and the right one will raise it. Now for an easy one, answering calls. Just give either bud 3 taps to answer a call and 3 more taps when you're ready to end the call. That's it. Either bud will do the trick. Want to switch things up? You can customize what the taps do inside of the Sony Sound Connect app. Thanks for watching.